So for today's video, I'll be cooking prime tomahawk steak and fried garlic rice. So go ahead and follow along with us. Butcher this beautiful tomahawk, keeping its nice, beautiful shape. So the seasonings I'll be using today are salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Season both sides heavily. So now I'm going to put the tomahawk inside a sous vide bag. Now I'm going to vacuum seal it and seal it twice, just to be on the safe side. Place my tomahawk in my sous vide water bath. Then I set up the temperature to 130 for 3 hours. So went ahead and got a separate pot for my rice. The rice I'll be using today is basmati and threw in a stick of butter. 1 full cup of rice, 2 part water. So now I'm smashing garlic, then I'm gonna rough chop it. So now I placed a lid on top of my rice, then lowered it down to a simmer and cooked my rice for about 10 minutes. Once the rice absorbed most of the water, go ahead and place your rice on a rack. So now I'll get a pan with some oil and then fried my garlic to golden brown. So what I'm doing now is fluffing up my rice. So now I got a separate bowl, then I threw in my fried garlic, then seasoned with salt. Pat it dry on a rack. Get it scorching hot and then sear off your steak or tomahawk, whatever you prefer. Sear each side for about 2 minutes.
What's good, people? Welcome back to another great episode of Steak Weights and Gains. We have
Tim?
and today's special guest is Chef Gordito. So we've been MIA for quite a few weeks, due to some technical difficulty. But guess what? We're back and we're ready. So what do we got today, Tim?
Oh, so today we got, I guess, like a 2-inch tomahawk prime from Alpine Butcher. Actually, Brendan hooked it up over there, and I appreciate that, man. And also too, we have garlic fried rice, and I don't know, what you guys gotta taste it. Let me know what you guys think.
Wow, since you're the guest.
Me first?
Yeah.
Grab some rice, grab some rice first, and then put it on your plate so you try everything.
I got you. So this is garlic fried rice?
I mean, if you're a vampire, you're not gonna like it. I mean, you gotta be generous too. Be generous.
How do I grab the
you
shell
go,
with my
Tim.
fingers? This one right
Get it.
Hey, you keto?
Now today for today's episode, I actually broke keto because, personal problems. But anyways, I'm eating carbs today, and yeah, I'm more
Look at the
excited
rice.
about that.
Let me try the rice first.
You're going for the rice first.
Oh man,
You're trying to warm
go
up?
all in. No warning.
All right.
All right, how's
So how's the rice from 1 to a 10?
One time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not a rice type of guy. I don't really eat rice, but I give it an 8.
Wow, solid 8. Nice.
Are you ever?
Me, I love carbs, so it's a 10 out of 10. What about you, Tim? What do you rate your own rice?
Oh, I love garlic rice, man. I can eat this all day.
All right. Big boy.
Oh, careful.
All right.
Shot this.
All right. What do you think?
It's pretty good. Nice and the meat's juicy. Nice and tender.
Okay.
Go ahead, Eric.
All right. Let me see.
Nice and buttery.
Mm-hmm. Nice and soft. Are you sure it's not dried age? It's pretty delicious. So what do you think, Chef Gordito? Would you recommend this steak?
Yup, it's delicious.
Okay. Have you tried our meal prep company?
No.
Oh, that's
So
right.
everybody, we have a meal prep company. If you guys are ever interested, go DM us, or you can text me. My number will be on there. I mean, the menu changes weekly. I mean, proteins to vegetables. I mean, so you guys don't get bored, you know? That's the best part about it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, try to give you guys the best quality meats out there, too.
So if you ever wanted to taste stuff like this, I mean, not exactly a tomahawk, but you'll get pretty close.
Pretty close.
Maybe we will have a tomahawk one day. 1 week. You never know.
Ribeye.
Hey. So, yeah.
Dig in, you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, you ever gonna get a filet
And
mignon
don't
on
forget
the
to
show?
like and subscribe.
Wait, you want filet mignon?
Yeah, I'm saying you're gonna get it on the
Yeah,
show.
we could do it for next episode. Yeah. But you have to cook it.
Yeah.
I'll cook it.
You'll cook it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our next episode is going to be filet mignon by Chef Gordito. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whatever. Peace.
And go check out our new meal prep page too.
Yeah.
Hey, hold
meals.
on. First of all, I have a feeling that both of them will tag me on Instagram. So here you go. Mr. Hot Dog 223 on Instagram.
All right, we'll put you.
Oh damn.
Peace out.